Three.
Hi guys! Wait, it's coming.
What's up, guys?
What's up guys? Hi. So today we are going
How's it going, guys?
We're doing a challenge.
Today we're going to be doing a challenge.
You know what's funny about this?
Okay.
We'll try that last.
This is the last. We're going to start with this. We each just have to see if we can get one of these down. It has jalapeno flavoring in it. Where's the package right here? It says on the packaging, attention, adult product. These jalapeno pieces are really hot.
Okay, so we might
So
eat
they're not
this
ghost
later.
peppers.
No, the jalapeno.
Oh my god, you said they were ghost peppers, you freaking
I said
no,
jalapeno.
no, you said they were ghost peppers.
I said third hottest pepper. That's
No.
jalapeno.
Dylan,
You
can you
said
help
they were
me?
ghost peppers. Don't say you didn't, because you did.
So look at the package.
Dylan, can you help me?
Has jalapenos on
Like,
it.
I'm not good at opening a lot of things. How am I opening a lot of things for me?
We don't know just in case this is actually really hot.
Oh, I swear to God.
Notifications is like if like you ever eat them.
Let us in the
Can I
know.
try one?
Let us know in the comments below.
I would try.
We have Jenna here on the side. She's gonna try one of the peppers, just in case.
I'm doing first. I'm doing it first.
It's good.
I don't know why you guys eat Mexican candy or why I'm about to eat Mexican candy either, but
That's
let's do
really
it.
not. That's not that bad. I could get this
I'm gonna sue
down.
you, Dylan, this first time out. I'm gonna fucking sue this shit out of you. I'm gonna sue you for everything
Hey,
you got, that YouTube channel of yours, that phone of yours. Oh yeah, and everything you have.
It's not that bad.
It's not even
You
bad.
hurt me with this.
We're going on to this.
That's a fail.
Yo, Jenna, there's milk right here. Is it actually hot?
Oh my god.
Oh, I hear this.
There's milk. Milk will help.
Y'all are stupid. What the
okay.
fuck is
Let's go.
wrong with you?
Let's go.
I really not like it.
That's not funny.
That's good.
What you bite into, the green or red?
Y'all like cheaters. Y'all bit into the green. Y'all freaking cheaters.
We didn't bite into these yet.
Really, this is good.
I still have it sitting here, actually.
It has a little spice to it. This one does.
No, it doesn't.
Mine does.
I'm sorry.
Go ahead.
I can eat this whole thing.
Yeah, set it aside for right now. Now we got the big kahuna.
Yeah.
Jenna says it's hot.
I can't get it.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Y'all are dumb. I can't even bite
I'll be
this
back.
thing.
Oh, that the smell is spicy. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that.
Ew.
It smells spicy.
They're nasty.
Oh,
This is nasty.
I'm regretting doing this, but
It's Mexican candy.
it's Mexican candy. It says it's fruity. It's
Okay. Did you?
we got milk here. Babe, bite into the red. Jenna says the red's hottest. 3, 2,
Oh,
1.
red. I have to chew it. No. You have to chew it. Swallow. I'll force it to go. Swallow.
That is spicy.
What's your last milk without drinking?
Come on, swallow it.
I swallowed it. I'm gonna get the rest. Oh, they weren't lying when they said
You might have to rush it to the red.
They weren't lying.
that's like a.
Let's try the green.
I'm gonna try this one now.
I'm biting to the green.
That's even harder.
What the? This is like gummy bear.
That's even.
Oh,
This is just sour.
I'm finishing this. I'm finishing it.
Do it. I'll finish mine with you. I'm finish mine with you. Hold on. I'm gonna put this all at the same time.
I think I.
Drink the rest of the milk.
I'm so scared. Oh my god. Hold on. Okay.
They weren't lying. No, they said it was
I
hot.
said it was spicy. They weren't lying, guys. They were not lying. Do not buy this.
But these, yes, these were so normal.
I'm gonna down this one.
Down it in one bite.
Oh, I need to.
Oh my god, this is torture!
Milk really doesn't help.
It helps. It's better than water.
So,
I'll just
links down below. We got these at the Christmas tree shop.
The link's not gonna be in the description. Got it at Christmas shop. $1. It's cheap. Like it
It's,
says, attention, adult product.
even that I'm not an adult, I still
freaking adult party, stupid ass.
don't take this one.
You want me down this one?
Mine.
Oh, you barely even took a bite. Take a whole bite.
That's not fair.
Look how much she barely bit into it.
That I can't want anybody to eat that. It's gross. It just my tongue like hurts
My
a
tongue's
little
on
bit.
fire.
So does mine. Oh, stupid ass.
Dylan, here. Do you need milk?
I love freaking stupid.
That one
Dylan,
was
milk.
bad. That one was bad.
Yes, mine is bad. So now we just have to down the rest of it.
I'm out of milk.
Dylan! Down this one! He just have some of my milk.
Taste like they were actual Mexican candy. You freaking dumb.
And then
The reason I don't hang out with my brothers and sisters. Who just happened?
oh, just milk. No, I don't. Wait, only a little bit.
Hurry up.
I need to learn to get a life or something.
Don't drink my
Jenna.
Get a life,
Now
Dylan.
my tongue's on fire.
I don't know why, but
Whoa! Okay, that was the spill.
stupid fucking Mexicans. And dumb Mexicans.
Mexicans!
We don't say anything about them, okay?